Electronic devices. Robotic vacuum cleaner. A robotic vacuum cleaner is a very useful device in modern homes. Today, it can move around the house by itself, clean floors, avoid obstacles, and even return to its charging station when needed. Some models can be controlled by smartphones and scheduled to clean at specific times. In the future, robotic vacuum cleaners will become even smarter. They may be able to recognize different types of dirt, clean more areas like stairs and corners, and work with other smart home devices. With new technology, they will help save even more time and make housework much easier.